Would you like to replace your dairy butter with a vegan plant origin butter which is not nut butter? Are you surprised if I say that a fruit could be the source of your butter? Stay tuned. Namaskaram. I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Munch and Mull. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Do you know what this is? This is avocado, which is commonly called as butter fruit in India because of its rich, creamy texture. So today we are going to see how to make butter from avocado. Avocado has its origin in Mexico. They are a rich source of fiber, sodium, potassium, magnesium and vitamins like A, B6, C, K and E. They are especially rich in unsaturated fatty acids, popularly called as MUFA, which are healthy fats. MUFA or unsaturated fatty acids are known to improve functioning of our blood vessels, which means they keep our arteries, veins and capillaries healthy. Most interestingly, MUFA help in bioavailability of fat-soluble vitamins. What does this mean? Vitamin A, K and E are fat soluble and thus consumption of healthy unsaturated fats present in avocados help in efficient absorption of these vitamins. They are known to be beneficial in type 2 diabetes as they help in maintaining insulin levels for blood sugar control. It is interesting to note that regular avocado consumption can lead to higher HDL or good cholesterol, lower risk of cardiovascular issues and lower weight, BMI and waist circumference. How to make out whether the avocado is ripe and ready to use? There are avocados in different stages of ripening. In this case, now this avocado is bright green in color, but when I press it, it's very hard. So this is not yet ripe. This avocado has completely changed color and it is soft. When I press, it is very soft. So this is right to be used. This also on touching is soft, but it has not changed color. That does not matter. You press and see it is soft. So this is also ripe. Some varieties completely change color, some varieties partially change color. Let's look at the ingredients to make our avocado butter. I have taken one avocado, half a teaspoon of coarsely ground pepper, lemon juice from half a lemon and salt to taste. So let's start cutting the avocado. Cut it from the center portion. So here a gentle cut because it's soft. Yeah, here. See, it's very easily getting cut. Here, this is the seed. So I'm just removing this seed and we will scoop this pulp out. So look at the creamy texture of the avocado. We're just going to be scooping it up. See, so easily scooped, so soft, a pista green color. Let's add the pepper to the scooped up butterfruit or avocado, salt, the lemon juice. It's ready to be blended. Here, our smooth, creamy texture avocado butter is ready to be spread on our sandwiches. Isn't this a very healthy and a tasty alternative to those who are trying to avoid dairy butter? It goes very well with bread, chapati and parathas. You could also spice it up according to the spices that you like. You could probably use green chili or ginger, garlic, cumin, cinnamon. The choice is endless. It's a choice if you would want to add lemon or other spices. It tastes delicious with plain salt. Just remember, please do not add any water when you are blending this. Store this in an airtight glass or steel container and store it in the refrigerator. On storing, there might be a slight discoloration, but that doesn't matter, and try and use it within 3 to 4 days. And here we go. What a wonderful substitute to dairy butter. Look at this. You can have a generous spread of the avocado butter as you do not have to worry about extra calories and fats. Here's my bread with a generous spread of avocado butter. Wow, so creamy and without the guilt of having dairy butter. If for health reasons we are advised not to have certain foods, is it a cause for disappointment? Let's mull over it. Nature has provided us with such a wide variety of food, and so if we are not supposed to have dairy butter, what's the cause for disappointment? There are so many other varieties and choices available. You have seen one such choice in today's recipe. I have also uploaded vegan peanut butter recipe in one of my previous episodes. Other sources of healthy fats are nut butters, which I will be soon uploading. When it comes to diabetes, people are generally advised not to have rice. Generally, what is advised is avoid white polished rice. But there are so many other alternatives to white polished rice. There are traditional unpolished rice varieties. Millets are wonderful for diabetics as they have a low glycemic index. So what I'm trying to convey is there is a lot of variety available, and don't get disappointed. Do you have any other interesting alternatives for dairy butter? Do share them with me in the comment section below. And don't forget to try the avocado butter. If you like it, do drop in your comments in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.